Oke, good morning semua. Karena minggu lalu saya berhalangan untuk mengajar, dan minggu ini mungkin juga akan berhalangan lagi. Jadi makanya saya melakukan pre-recording ini dengan tujuan untuk menjelaskan materi ke kalian semua. Dan di sini saya akan I'm going to explain about elimination and substitution from the assignment that we have done before. Okay, so in your previous assignment, you are assigned to draw a pair of line in a Cartesian diagram. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it here, but as you know, if you remember, I have already demonstrated this before, but I'm going to give you what is the connection, why I gave that assignment before. Okay, so we have two pair of linear equation here, which is y equal x plus 1. So we try to find the coordinate from both. Okay, that's what we are going to do now. So y equal x plus 1. So if the x is 0, then the y is 1. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then the second one, we have to find two coordinates, of course. If the first one is if x is 0, you can add any random number. So for example, like if x is 1, okay, then y is 2. Okay, so now we put them into the Cartesian diagram. 0.1 is here, and 1.2 is here. Okay, so now we can draw a line between both of them. Okay, yeah, so that is the line y equal x plus 1. Okay, so the next coordinate that we are going to find is 3, y equals 7 minus x. So if the x is 1, then the y is 2 as well. Okay, and then if the x is, let's say, we try to find the number that is going to fit there. So if, let's say, the x is minus 2, then the y is 3. So minus 2 and 3 is here, and then 1 and 2 is here. Okay, so this is the coordinate. So this is the line. Okay, yeah. So as you can see here, we already have two pair of lines, and both of them are intersecting each other in a coordinate, which is the same coordinate from both. Equation is 1.2. Okay, so that is the intersection point. Okay, yeah, so that is the intersection point. Okay, so that was your assignment. Okay, and this is how you should do it correctly. Okay, and then another example, I've made some coordinates previously to make it quicker. So in this case, if x is 0, then y is wait, let me get a better number. So if y is 0, then x is 5. Okay, so 5.0. And then the other one is if let's try to find a number that is not too far away. If x is 2, then y is minus 6. If x is 3, then if x is 4, okay, if x is 4, then the y is 4 times 3, 12, right? So 12 move to the right becomes minus. So 15 minus 12, 3, and then minus y equal 3, so y equal minus 3. Okay, so we have the coordinates now. So we put them in the Cartesian diagram, 0, point 0, point minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 0, point minus 7, and then minus 7.0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yeah, so this is the line. Okay, this is x plus y equals 7, equal minus 7, I mean. Okay, and then the second line, 5.0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and then 4 point minus 3, 4.123, so here. Okay, so we draw the line again. Yeah, in this case I have to be exact so you can see the intersection point clearly. Yeah, so this is 3x minus y equal 15, and as you can see it is intersecting here. Okay, in this case we don't get the exact coordinates from the calculation. It is kind of different with the ones before. Before we have the intersection point straight away from the calculation, but now we don't have that. Okay, we have that from the graph. And then if we take a look, then the coordinates of the intersection is, let me use another color. Okay, so the point of intersection here is 2 point minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah, so this is the intersection point. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so now I am going to link this with the next material that we are going to discuss. Okay, there are we have what we call as elimination. Okay, and substitution. Okay, so let me use another page here. So x plus y. So okay, x plus y equal minus 7, and then 3x minus y, 3x minus y equal 15. 3x minus y equal 15. Yeah, okay, yeah. So we have what we call as, we have two methods to find. Okay, so the next materials is about how we are going to find the intersection of two linear equation. So that's why we call it simultaneous linear equation, without having to draw the graph. Okay, so previously you're drawing a graph trying to find the intersection. Now we are trying to find the intersection without having to draw the graph. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, so we have the first. Okay, yeah, so we have two methods to do this. Okay, the first one is elimination and the second one is substitution. Okay, so first we try to do elimination. Okay, the aim of elimination is to eliminate. Okay, eliminate one variables. Okay, it can be x, it can be y. Okay, so in this case x plus y, it is easier for us to eliminate y, because when we add both equations, so 3x plus 3x becomes 4x, y minus y plus y minus y becomes 0. So minus 7 and 15, minus 7 and 15 plus, so it's 8. Okay, so we are left with 4x equal 8. So now we know that x is equal to 2. So that's elimination. We eliminate in this case we eliminate y. Okay, how about if we eliminate x? That can be done too, but we have to 3x minus y equal minus 7 equal 15. In this case, we cannot eliminate we cannot eliminate x straight away. Why is that? Because they are in different variables, so we have to multiply this by 3 first. So we have the same number for x, the same constant, the same number for x. So 3 times x, 3x, 3 times y, 3y, 3 times minus 7, minus 21. So the bottom equation stays the same because we don't multiply, we didn't multiply it with anything. Okay, so now, okay, so one thing that you can modify here is either you add plus or either you add minus. It depends on whether you can eliminate or not. So in this case, both of the 3x is plus, so you cannot eliminate if you are using plus, because if you are using plus, then it becomes 6x. So you have to use minus. 3x minus 3x becomes 0. 3y minus minus y becomes 4y positive. And then minus 21 minus 15 becomes minus 36. Okay, so 4y equal minus 36. So y equal minus 9. So as you can see here, we have the x is 2 and then y is minus 9. So the coordinate is 2 point minus 9. Okay, so the coordinate of intersection between the equations are 2 point minus 1. And it's the same with what we had before. Okay, so yeah, so the second part, we eliminate x. Okay, all right, so the next one is substitution. Okay, so substitution looks like this: x plus y equal minus 7, 3x minus y equal 15. Okay, so basically substitution is a little bit similar to elimination, but in this case you are going to eliminate a certain variables by substituting them. Okay, so for example, like this: x plus y equals minus 7. We want to substitute y, let's say. So what we do is to take the equation x plus y equal minus 7, and then we move the x to the other side, so we have the y as the subject of the first equation. And then because we already have this, okay, y equal minus 7 minus x, we put them in the other equation. So 3x minus y, because now we know y is equal minus 7 minus x, so we can exchange y with minus 7 minus x equal 15. Okay, so now we are eliminating y from the second equation, as you can see. Okay, we are eliminating y from the second function. So 3x minus minus 7 plus 7 minus minus x plus x, and then equal 15. Okay, yeah, so 3x plus x equal 4x plus 7 equal 15. So 4x equal 15 minus 7. So 4x equal 8, so x equal 2. Okay, so now we have x equal 2. We can substitute this number with both equation. It's going to be, the result is going to be the same. So x plus y equal minus 7, and 3x minus y equal 15. Okay, so as I've mentioned before, whichever we put the function in, it's going to be the same. So 2 plus y equal minus 7. So y equal minus 7 minus 2. So y equal minus 9. The same goes here. 3 times 2, because x is 2, minus y equal 15. 6 minus y equal 15. Minus y equal 15 minus 6. 6 move to the right becomes minus. So minus y equal 9. So y equal minus 9. So as you can see, we have the same result. Okay, 2 point minus 9. Right, yeah, so that's the demonstration for the elimination and substitution. usually, as you can see, I am more comfortable in doing both of the method in the same number. So usually I use the elimination first, and then after that I use the substitution. But it's up to you, okay? Whichever you are comfortable with, you can try to mix them both. You can try elimination. You can do substitution, whichever you want to do. Okay. Yeah. So this is the demonstration. I hope this is clear enough for you. And there's a plus point that you can do now in Edmodo. So good luck, and I hope you can understand the materials well. Okay. So see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.